This is by far the most newbie-friendly way that I've ever seen to create a full-time income online. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how complete newbies are earning, get this, consistent four-figure days online. I'm not talking once in a while, not once in a blue moon, not once every few weeks, but consistent four-figure days online. I'm talking $1,000 days and more specifically, $2,000 days consistently, all by leveraging a simple done-for-you system that you could replicate in this video. And I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate this entire system that these members here are using. But what I want to do in this video is I want to show you exactly, first and foremost, what is possible with the system. And then I'm going to show you exactly what the system is, how it all works, how you can get access, and also, as a bonus, what I also have is a free training to go along with it that's going to show you how to maximize your results with the system. So even if you're someone who is completely brand new, even if you're someone who hates selling, even if you're someone who has never had success online and you've tried tons of other programs and tons of other opportunities and you haven't been able to get results yet, and especially if you're someone who is non-technical, this right here, I dare you to watch this video all the way through and tell me that you're not mind blown, because the amount of people that are succeeding with this is just absolutely insane. I'm going to show you, again, I'm going to show you some results here, as you can see in this video. But real quick, I want to mention that first and foremost, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you're notified of all future videos on the channel. And of course, this video that you're on right now is the intro video to this series right here, right? So this, I pretty much show you exactly what the system is and what we're leveraging. And of course, if you want to get access to this system that these members are using, at any point, you can go to the first link down below. You just want to enter your email on this page right here, and then that will take you over to the next step and, really what to do after that. But I want to show you exactly what's possible with this system, just to show you really the proof of concept that this is working for a lot of people, right? So first and foremost, we have the creator of the system himself is David Deacle. This is the name of the creator of the system. And so this guy in particular is actually known for putting together these very high converting systems that help people earn high ticket commissions online, right? And so if you have been in the been in this make money online / online marketing space for some time, you probably have seen a lot of other systems out there that help you promote like multiple different affiliate programs. And in my case, I've been a part of a lot of them as well. But what is really unique about what David does with his systems is he puts together systems that primarily focus on helping you generate high ticket commissions first and foremost, right? So if you're someone that is looking to potentially quit your job or go full time, this is by far one of the best ways you could do that is by leveraging exactly what David Deacle is using, right? So as you can see, $900 in 3 hours. So 3 commissions, each of $300, which is pretty cool. And this was posted just 4 hours ago. So pretty great right there. Here we have another member by the name of Jane, who had a $4,000 day. Get this, a $4,000 day. Now really think about this for a minute, right? This is from 2 commissions, each of $2,000. And I want to ask you this question, right? What would, if you could just get just one of these every single month, just one $2,000 commission, do you feel like that would make a difference in your life? Do you feel like that would give you more freedom? Do you feel like that would help you travel more, visit more restaurants, spend more time with family, right? Or maybe you just want to quit your job and just have more time to yourself, right? This right here, I know for a lot of people can be an absolute game changer, right? And get this, a lot of people don't even make $4,000 a month at their job, but Jane right here was able to earn $4,000 in a single day using this exact system that does all the selling and telling for you, does all the heavy lifting, and it pretty much simplifies everything for the person who's brand new, right? Here we have another member here by the name of Charisse, who earned $6,000 in 24 hours. That's from 3 commissions each of $2,000. And so, of course, I do have to give a bit of a disclaimer. These are big numbers that I'm showing you here. And so your results with this, of course, I can't guarantee any sort of results or any specific numbers. It really comes down to what you put into it, right? If you just kind of dip your toes in the water and you don't really follow instructions as laid out in this video and, with the system, then, you might not get the results. But as long as you could follow very simple instructions, then you could definitely do very well with this. And I could promise you that it's really a matter of following the instructions to the T, and of course, taking consistent action, right? Here we have another member by the name of Quincy. Amazing opportunity has allowed me to make $3,000 in my first 7 days since joining. So get this, right? $3,000 within his first week of joining. Again, can't make any guarantees, but again, the amount of people that are getting results with this is absolutely insane, right? So you see that right there, 3,007 days. And it just goes on and on, right? We have, not sure how to pronounce this name, but $1,000 commission right here, which is really great. Here we have Amanda, who got a $2,000 commission. We have Beaky, one of my friends, Beaky here. I've actually known him for a while. Got a $2,000 commission with this. We have Sam, another $2,000 commission. And again, the list just goes on and on, right? Sean, $2,000 commission while having breakfast with his family. This is at like 8 a.m. in the morning. Imagine waking up, right? You just woke up out of the bed and you check your phone and you see that you've earned a $2,000 commission, you know, literally while you were sleeping, right? How would you feel throughout the day, right? Do you feel like that would uplift your mood? Would you be more excited throughout the day? How would you act, right? Really think about that for a minute, right? This is life-changing income that we're talking here. And this isn't people who've been in this for a while that have a massive email list. This is people who are brand new, who haven't earned it, many of which have not earned a dime online before. They've plugged into the system, they followed the steps, and of course, they've gotten results by taking action, right? So $2,000 commission right here. Here's another one. Dwayne earned a $2,000 commission, and then another one shortly after, $100. So again, you have some low ticket commissions in here as well, but primarily it is focused on helping you earn the $2,000 commissions right there, right? Tanya, $100 commission. So another really great result right there. And then, of course, we have Paulo Berenguel. Now, this guy, I should mention, you know, he's been in the online marketing space for a while. He's done very well. And so, of course, you know, when you have a system like this that converts very well, plus if you happen to have experience, then, you know, then it could work even better for you, right? So this guy in particular has been in the online marketing space for several years. I've been following him for a while. And so 42,000 in 2 weeks of using this, right? First job here in Australia, I have to work for that money for 1 year. You know, think about this for a minute, right? 42,000 in 2 weeks of leveraging the system right here. And a lot of people don't even make that in a year. So imagine being able to earn that in just 2 weeks online. It's absolutely insane. But again, there's tons of other results I could show you in this video right here. But really, by this point, you should get the idea that this is working for a lot of people who are brand new, right? So what I want to do right now is I want to show you exactly how to get access to this system, exactly what to do to, of course, get access to this, and pretty much what this is all about, how it all works. And of course, the benefit with everything that you're getting with the system is not only are you getting the system that does a phenomenal job at helping you earn $2,000 commissions in probably the most simplest newbie-friendly way possible, but in addition to that, as a bonus, you're also getting access to my free training that I've put together right here. And I initially created this for a completely different system that I was promoting, which is similar to this, but that other one that I promote is more focused on like residual income, whereas this one is more focused on like the high ticket commissions online. But I'm giving you this 100% for free, right? And so you could use everything that this right here shows to promote your link, right? So that pretty much goes over that right there in the system. But in addition to that, you also have my training that shows you exactly how to maximize your results, right? And the benefit is that in this training, I show you how to market using free traffic, you know, without having to spend any money on like paid advertising, right? I do a little bit of paid advertising, but majority of my income from this year and the year before has come from free traffic, right? Which is what I show you in these videos right here, right? So you can, if you want to, you could either use the paid traffic source that the system recommends, or you could use the free traffic methods that I recommend in this series right here, which is probably the better method that I would recommend. But either way, both methods work. It's really just a matter of taking action, right? But you get this entire training where I show you everything in terms of how to promote on TikTok, how to promote on Instagram, how to promote on Facebook Reels, right? there's, multiple different methods that I show you in here that you could use to market your exact system online, and you could use this to market really anything that you want, right? So that's really the benefit of this entire training series right here. You could take this entire series if you want to, and you could market pretty much anything that you want. But of course, I recommend starting with the system that is really on fire and getting great momentum for a lot of people, right? So to get access, all you have to do is simply go to this page, enter your email, click the button, and that will take you over to a quick video that'll give you a little sneak peek on what it's about, like 4-minute video. And then what you want to do here, you'll see some more testimonials. What you want to do here is you want to click this button to get on the webinar, right? So you'll want to wait for the timer to go down, and then the webinar will start, and you could simply tune in right here. And so you'll want to make sure that you watch the webinar all the way through, right? It's important that you really watch it all the way through to really understand it best. And this will allow you to really, really come into with the right expectations. I recommend if you want, you could take notes as you watch it. Completely up to you, but I would even say that you don't even have to do that because of how simple it is, right? So you want to watch the webinar, and then once you, of course, reach the end of the webinar, then it will allow you to create a free account with this system right here, right? So you could join the system right here for free. And so once you're of course logged in, all you really have to do here is follow this short video, and then the entire setup process is maybe 10 minutes, in terms of setting it all up, right? So it's just a matter of following the simple steps right here to, of course, activate your different income streams you can earn from. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this. This helps you earn not only high ticket commissions, but also commissions from 3 other income streams as well, which is really great. And this is all via the effort of promoting one link that they give you. Again, the system does all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to worry about doing any of that yourself. Helps you earn high ticket commissions. Also does all the email follow up for you, so you don't have to worry about setting up your own autoresponder, writing your own emails, building a list, anything along those lines. This system does all the heavy lifting for you, and the only thing you have to do is simply get clicks, traffic, people over to your link, right? And again, this system not only gives you a traffic source you could use, which is Traffic Authority. This has got a lot of really great results for a lot of members. So I've recommended this in the past for other systems that I was a part of, and I also do mention it in my training here as well. But also, in addition to that, you could use the free traffic methods that I show you in here to, of course, get high quality traffic over to your link, right? So right off the bat, right, with everything that I've showed you right here, I'm literally giving you everything that you need to have success online, and it's at no cost to you, right? You have access to my entire training right here. You have access to the funnel that you could replicate, and of course, all you have to do is simply follow in the footsteps of what this webinar goes over. And as long as you can follow simple instructions, you get set up, and of course, you take action on what I show you, you could definitely have some pretty phenomenal results with the system. In fact, with my free training right here, you're probably going to have a bit of an advantage over majority of people that are just getting started. So with that being said, all you have to do is simply go down below, get your system set up, and then once you have set up an account with this and you've gotten your account activated, all you have to do is come back to the series, go to the next video, and this is going to show you exactly how to get set up with everything, how to set up your account, and of course, from there, it's really just a matter of promoting your link and letting the system do the rest. So with that being said, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. I'll be sure to answer you as soon as I can. Otherwise, go to the first link, get started today, and my friend, I'll see you on the inside. Take care and see you in the next one.